everyone, this is Akhilesh Kumar Bind, PGT English, Kendriya Vidyalaya, Tengravali. I hope you all will be fine. Dear students, after present tense, past tense, we will deal with future tense. Before going through future tense, once again have a look about a definition of tense, types of tense. Okay, now in this audio class, we will deal with future tense, a verb that refers to future time is said to be in the future tense. It's clear? Dear friends, tense is very important for us when we speak, when we write. That time we use tenses. If we don't know proper, we don't know correct tenses, we will make mistakes. That's why be alert, be careful about these things. It's clear? It is base of your speaking, of your writing. This is last type of tense, which is future tense. Now first of all, see the first type of future tense, simple future tense. It's clear? The simple future tense is used to express an action that will occur or happen in the future. It is used to describe an action which will happen in near or far future. As the name of tense is future tense, and we know what is a future time. This tense tells us about incidents, about event or situations which will happen, which will occur in future time. It's clear. As for example, Sagarika will go to school next week. After that, here structure uses in sentences. Dear friends, many times I told you the structure will be same. Only form of verbs and auxiliary verb will be changed. Assertive sentence, subject singular, plural, will plus be1 plus object. Subject I or we, helping verb shall plus be1 plus object. If the subject is I and we, then we will use auxiliary verb shall. It's clear? Negative sentence, subject singular, plural, I and we, will, shall. Don't confuse here. We will use will with singular subject and plural except I and we here. Interrogative sentence, this is the structure. WS type, this is the structure. Interrogative negative sentence, the structure is the same. Only what we do, we put not after subject. It's clear? These are examples of simple future tense. Have a look here. Assertive sentence, Dawa will read a story. I shall sing a song. The students will play in the ground. we shall complete our task. Also know this tense is also used to express will, desire, determination, threat, command, and intention. Examples: I will serve the nation. Here see, with I and we use helping verb this shall, but here I wrote will. When we change the order, then that order will refer these things: will, determination, threat, command, and intention. Actually, when intention is simple, there with I we use auxiliary verb shall, not will, but here will. So here will refers this will, desire, determination, etc. It's clear? You shall not cheat her again. Here with you we should use will, but here is shall. That's why this express these things. It's clear? So don't be confused. Negative sentence: she will not write an essay. You will not complete your homework. After that, interrogative sentence: will Anushka play at home? Will they respect their parents? Why will he go there? Will Rohit not pay attention in the class? Will the girls not make poster? After simple future tense, we have future progressive or future continuous tense. First of all, definition of future progressive tense. The future progressive tense denotes an action as going on at some point of in future time. It's clear? As I shall be writing articles on different topics. Structure: assertive sentence. As we know, if there is continuous, then there will be B1 and plus ing. This is the structure. Example: Muskan will be singing a song. Negative sentence: I shall not be going to school. They will not be learning their lesson. Okay, so this is structure of assertive sentence, and this is structure of negative sentence with examples. It's clear? Now this is structure of interrogative sentence. Will shall, subject, singular, plural, I, we, plus B, plus B1, plus ing, plus object, and then question mark. Will it be raining all day tomorrow? Will the boys be playing cricket next day? WH type. This is the structure and example: where will the boys be playing cricket tomorrow? And interrogative negative sentence, what we do? We add not after subject. As for example, why will Tamang not be completing her homework next day? It's clear? This is future perfect tense. We know present perfect tense, past perfect tense. Now this is future perfect tense. The future perfect denotes that an action will be completed at some point of time in future, as he will have left before you go to see him. She will have cooked dinner. These are examples. Now see here the structure of positive sentence: subject, singular, plural, I, we, will, shall, plus have, plus B3 plus object. Here we will use third form of verb. She will have done her assignment. We shall have learned our lessons. Negative sentence. This is the structure of negative sentence. An example, they will not have met at all. Interrogative sentence. This is the structure. Will they have left their jobs? WH type. This is the example. When will I have finished writing this book? Okay. Friends, this is the last in tense, and this is future perfect progressive tense. Definition. This tense is used to denote an action that will have been going on at or before some point of time in the future, as they will have been living in Arunachal Pradesh for 5 years. Structure is here. Subject singular plural I, we plus will, shall plus have been plus be1 plus ing object plus since for time for plus time. This is the structure. Now example, she will have been doing her assignment for 2 hours. Negative sentence. This is the structure and this is the example. He will not have been working in the factory for 6 months. Interrogative sentence. Yes no type. In yes no type, we know we always put auxiliary verb, that is helping verb first and then subject. After that auxiliary verb, have been, remaining, and the same here. Example, will he have been loving her for 5 years? WH type. In WH type, what we do, we write first WH words like what, where, who, why, when, etc. Okay, and then will, shall, subject, and this. Example, why will they have been using their phone since June? And I have already told you where use since and for. If the timing is exact, we know the exact time, they use since. As for example, since June. June is sure. From June, no using of phone. It's clear. And when we don't know exact time, they use for. As for example, for 6 months. The name of month is not clear. The exact timing is not clear. That's why here is for. It's clear. Assignment. Write 5 sentences of each type of future tense. Thank you, friends. I hope it will help you. Once again, if any doubt, if any problem, please contact me, ask me. Thank you once again.